plumber, so have I got a treat for you today. So this is our free giveaway. We're giving away all these tools. It's worth over £550. So let's start off. So we've got 600mm level in this Rothenberg bag. You're going to get yourself a heat mat, Supervisor 2 blowtorch, some solder, some flux. I'll even chuck in a little brush for you. Now, down to the nitty gritty stuff. You're going to get this Stanley Fat Max bag, and inside this have we got some treats for you. We're going to start off with a 112 piece screwdriver set. In there you've got your Allen keys, you've got your torque screwdrivers, your Pozzies, your flatheads and your Phillips. Basin wrench, a combined square set, some lovely forged steel socket set, a nice little folding ruler for yourself, Rothenberg pump pliers. Now I've got 3 of these, all in 3 different sizes. You never know when you need to get into the tight spaces with these smaller ones. To go with them, I've got you some Rothenberger wide jaw adjustable spanners, again smaller ones and bigger ones. I've got this electrical screwdriver set with side cutters. You never know when you need to get in and wire up any of the central heating systems that you may be doing as an apprentice. Pipe cutters for plastic pipe, some chalk to go with the chalk line so you can get them straight lines of guttering or laying out the clipping. You've got your junior hacksaw, 15 and 22mm Rothenberg pipe slices, tape measure, box spanner for taking off all the taps that you're going to be doing as an apprentice or an avid DIYer, a monoblock spanner set for taking out kitchen taps, and then a mini adjustable Rothenberger pipe slice as well. Now all this can be yours. It's £550 or just over worth of tools. Now this is perfect if you're an apprentice, it's perfect if you're a DIY enthusiast, it's even perfect if you're a plumber and you just want some new tools. Let's face it, it's a free giveaway, what have you got to lose? Now these rules that you're going to have to abide by. So the rules of engagement are: 1, you need to like this video, so do it now. 2, you need to comment in the comment section, win. 3, you've got to be a subscriber to the channel or subscribe now. And then you need to go over to the Plumbing Exams website, which is a link below, and just fill out the form, which is just quick ticks to put in your email so that we can contact you if you're the winner. Now these other ways of getting entries, so in the first 3 we'll get you 3 entries. You can get another 2 entries, one by following us on TikTok and another one by following us on Instagram. So go get that done, get yourself entered, you can win all this amazing stuff and we'll send it to the winner. Now this will run until we have 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 likes on this video and 1,000 comments. So get it shared, get it out there, because the faster that happens, the faster we get a winner, and that could be you. You'll find in the description all of the information that you need. Now, have a read of it, make sure that you do everything, because if you haven't done it all and you win, you will be disqualified. I don't want anyone losing out on this amazing gear. So get it done,